Greetings, star children. Namaste. It is a Genesis Iman Samadhi, and I am coming to you to cordially invite you to the Virtual Healing Hour this Thursday, May 9th, 2013 at 8 p.m. We will be discussing the new moon in Taurus and the solar eclipse. This new moon is very important. It is also a new moon where the sun and the moon is in the same zodiac sign of Taurus. The new moon is a time that is always calling us to set new intentions, to set new projects, new goals, so that by the full moon, they have harvested and we're able to reap them. And we're able to enjoy what we have really brought together and manifested for ourselves. With the solar eclipse, it is a powerful time to ask for what we want, to generate and actualize what we're wanting to manifest in our lives. So you're getting a push from the universe to say, hey, get it together. Wake up. What do you value? Do you value money? Do you value your relationships? What are you doing with your money? What seeds can you plant to harvest and make more money come to you, to draw more abundance and prosperity to you? So it's a time to really get clear about your intentions and set them in a way that you will reap the best reward out of what you're asking to call forth to you. So the Taurus moon, the Taurus energy is all about what you value, about stability, about being sensual, about slowing down enough to really smell the roses in life, or to taste life with your taste buds. It's time to prepare a very gourmet and sensuous dinner. It's time to write down, as with every new moon, what you want, what your goals are. What do you value? Do you value yourself? Do you know your own self-worth? So that you really, because the effects of this are going to be for the next 6 months, not the next 4 or 5 days with a typical new moon, but because you have the solar eclipse energy backing and forcing that new moon in Taurus, it's going to affect you for the next 6 months. So what are you committing to? What are you getting yourself involved in that you're going to have to hold down or feel the effects of for the next 6 months? So I suggest that you sit down and ask yourself, what serves me? Or what is it that will add on to my life? Okay? So we're talking about vision boards, projects, plans, negotiations for plans in the future, ideas that you have, and really putting them into play so that, again, for the next 6 months, that you can really see the reward from that work. We talked about smelling the roses before. I like to say smell the victory, smell the feeling of success. It's time to really call those things that you want into your life to you. And this solar eclipse and new moon in Taurus is really giving you the tools and the ability to do that. So if the sun being in Taurus, the moon being in Taurus, it's a time to selfishly do you, to really figure out what it is that you want and go for it. To go for it in a way like never before. So by the time this eclipse is over and the moon has passed the sun, you're renewed on the other side of that. It should be a new you. You're walking into a new walk of life. And so what do you want to see on the other side of that? What personal finances are you wanting to call forth? What personal relationships are you wanting to call forth? Are you ready to love yourself in a new way and feel the sensuality of yourself? Always, we don't have to have another person there loving us. Sometimes we need to just really love on ourselves. And so how are you going to do that? How are you going to really be able to tap into yourself? These are things that we're going to be discussing May the 9th, 2013 at 8 p.m. Register for the event at www.divinedeliverance.net. Go to the Healing Hour link. You'll see the PayPal button for the $7 donation in the bottom right-hand corner. As soon as you submit that payment, all of your information will be sent to me, and I can send you the information for the webinar so that you can log in and join us on Thursday night. We're going to be talking about just new beginnings, new ventures, and everything that this eclipse is really ushering us in to do and encouraging us to do. So please join me. I would love to see your faces. I would love to share with you and find out your experiences and what rituals that you guys are going to institute for this new moon. Maybe we can, swap some affirmations. and just share and be in each other's energy. So I look forward to seeing you there. www.divinedeliverance.net, The Healing Hour. Peace and bliss kisses. Jen.